Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy Bitcoin in 2025. So if you also want to buy Bitcoin in 2025, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is download any crypto wallet of your choice. You can download the application like MetaMask, Coinbase, MoonPay, Binance, etc. Here I'm just going to use the Binance application. If you also want to download the Binance application, for that first of all you'll have to launch open Play Store, or you can also open App Store if you're using Apple devices. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Over here you'll have to search for Binance. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in Binance. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for Binance. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. I've already installed this application. If you have not installed this application, instead of open option you'll be able to find the option for install. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, Binance application will be installed. After installing the Binance application, what you have to do is launch open Binance application. Wait for it to load. Make sure to create an account on Binance. If you're having problem creating the account, you can check our video on how to create Binance account on our channel. After you create the account, log into your account. Here I'm already logged into my account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the markets interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several coins. From here too, you'll be able to buy the Bitcoin. All you have to do is go to the coin section. In this section, you'll be able to find several cryptos. Simply tap on the option Bitcoin. Now from here, you'll be able to buy it. You can see the chart over here. If you want to buy the Bitcoin, simply tap on the buy option that you can see right over here. Or there's also another way, simply go back. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. At bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for portfolio. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the portfolio interface. Over here you'll be able to see your total balance. Right over here you'll be able to see two options, deposit and buy crypto. Simply tap on the option buy crypto that you can see right over here. Now you'll have to choose the crypto. You can see the top sources over here. You can see the cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether US, XRP, etc. Since you want to buy the Bitcoin, simply tap on the option Bitcoin or BTC that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to buy the Bitcoin. All you have to do is enter the amount. Simply enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. You can also choose your currency. Right now, USD is selected. Simply tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to choose the currency. All you have to do is tap on the currency that you want to choose. After doing that, all you have to do is tap on the option select payment method that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to select the payment method. All the cards that you've added will be shown over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Right now I haven't added any card. Right now the option for Visa or MasterCard is available. Simply tap on the confirm option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, from here you'll be able to add the new card. All you have to do is fill in these informations. First of all, enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Likewise, enter the card number. Make sure to enter the valid card number. After that, what you have to do is select the expiration date. Simply tap on the option expiration date. Now from here, select the date of expiry. Tap on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Now also enter your CVV. After that, you'll have to enter the billing address. Simply enter your address. Also enter your postal code. Now enter the city. After that, all you have to do is tap on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Right now I do not have any cards, so I'm not being able to proceed, but you'll be able to proceed to another step. After that, all you have to do is complete the transaction and you'll receive the Bitcoin that you've bought. So that is how you buy Bitcoin in 2025. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.